Hello guys, welcome back. So I'm going to continue on with the chat through of the sketches that I've been doing lately. This is the third or fourth one, I believe. So this one was a face shot again, and again it was 1, 2 and 3, using a couple of different methods, trying to combine different methods just so that I can actually achieve the best results. All three were good speed again. Proportions were actually in line with the original reference. I shall try and include the reference in the description box, and so that you can then go and see it on the website. So proportions and the features for all three I felt was actually in line with the original reference. I used observational and gestural methods for all three. As you can tell, I actually kind of tend towards utilising those methods quite often. I should actually be trying to use different ones again, but so gestural, observational and geometric, combining Loomis. If you don't know what Loomis is, then drop me a wee comment and I shall try and describe it as best as I can. But yeah, as you can see, this one I particularly used the Loomis method, so that's a circle, and then creating the lines where the actual eyes, nose and mouth are, so that you're actually getting a proper layout and structure of the face. This one was more observational, purely so that I could try and see if I could create the, sorry for the noise in the background, someone's actually doing an extension in their house, I believe. So yeah, this one was a combination of the different methods that I'd used previously, along with trying to see in my mind's eye if you would think I actually done not too badly. Obviously needs improvement, specifically with the jawline, and the lines shouldn't be as hard, especially if it's going to then be a painting or a charcoal eventually. You don't want the lines too hard, otherwise you might actually see these lines through the paint. So that is one thing that I do need to work on, is creating the lines that not as hard, creating them a little bit softer. Comment, let me know what you think, and I shall see you later.